Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the DNS error in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. If you're trying to open your GoDaddy Website Builder site and instead of your website you see the image like DNS error, delete DNS record, or this site can't be reached or server DNS address could not be found, don't panic. This is one of the most common problems in GoDaddy users face in 2026. Especially after connecting a custom domain, changing DNS settings, or publishing a new website, or even moving a domain from another provider. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step what a DNS error really means, what it happens in GoDaddy Website Builder, how to fix it the right way, and how to prevent it from happening again. First of all, the first thing to know is what is a DNS server. Now, a DNS server is or a domain name system is what connects your domain name like website to your actual website. Now the first thing you want to do is to check if your domain is connected correctly. You're gonna log into godaddy.com account and go to my products or go to the website here, and after that you're gonna open the website builder by clicking in this website here, and then you're gonna click on the settings and you're gonna select domain. After that, you're going to make sure your domain is connected and it says primary domain. No warning message appear. Gonna make sure to do that by clicking on settings. And here you're gonna go to the domain and the SEO, etc. You can edit all of them. Now you're gonna verify the DNS records in GoDaddy. We're gonna go to the GoDaddy dashboard here. We're gonna go back here and open your domains and click your domain, then select DNS and click on manage DNS. You can do that by going to your website builder dashboard by clicking here on dashboard and click on domain. Then you're gonna click on your domain and select the DNS settings. The third thing you want to do is to wait for DNS propagation, and after that you're just gonna clear the browser and the device cache and check if your domain is using external DNS. And that's it. Your DNS error is in GoDaddy Website Builder. It should now be fully fixed. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.